Assalamu alaikum. A new Turkish story for beginners or for those who are trying to improve their Turkish language, where I will be explaining words, sentences, phrases, and some grammar. So, if you are interested in learning more, watch this story until the end. Our story today is about Nasruddin. As usual, I have so many stories about him on my channel. You can check the playlist that is about Turkish stories. So, Nasruddin Hoca fıkrası. Fıkra, by now, if you watch the previous stories, you know that it is a joke. So, Nasruddin is famous of making jokes. I will start reading the story, explaining each sentence, and then read it without explanation. I will put the English translation at the end of this PowerPoint presentation and some words for you to try to remember their meanings, Turkish words, of course. So let's start. Nasreddin Hoca'nın kadelik yaptığı sıralarda bir adam gelmiş. The meaning of the sentence is when Nasreddin Hoca was a judge, a man came. So, Nasreddin Hoca'nın kadelik yaptığı sıralarda together means when he made, but of course we cannot say when he was made or something. When he was what? Kadı means a judge. He's doing the work of a judge. We translate as when Nasreddin Hoca was a judge. Bir adam gelmiş, a man came, gelmiş. We spoke about this miş several times. Hoca efendi demiş. What did that man say? He said, Hoca efendi. Hoca sir, efendi means like sir. Hoca, we know what it means. Size bir şey danışacağım. I will consult you about something. Size, to you, with respect. He's talking with him with respect, so he doesn't say sen, he says siz. Size, to you, bir şey, a thing, danışacağım, I will consult. So I will consult you about something. Danışmak, to consult, the adjunct here is the future. It transforms, the K transforms to yumuşak because I have the a vowel. I, so I will consult you about a thing. Buyurun, sorun. He told him, like, okay, it's your turn, you can speak. Buyurun, sorun, ask. You can ask also with respect. If it's not with respect, like you're talking to your friend, you say sor. Without this, on. Demiş hoca, the hoca said. Adam sözünü sürdürmüş. The man continued what he was saying. So the man, söz means, it has several meanings. One of the meaning here, it means his word. So he continued, sürdürmüş, he continued with his word, with what he wanted to say. But when translating to English, we say, the man continued, because he was speaking before, now he continued speaking. Geçen gün komşuların size ait olduğunu söyledikleri bir inek tarlada bizim ineğin karnına vurup ineği öldürmüş. Meaning of this sentence is, the other day a cow that the neighbor said belongs to you, will explain more, hit our cow in the field and killed it, and killed the cow. So geçen gün, the other day, geçen means past, or geçen, something that passed before. Geçen gün, the other day, komşuların size ait olduğunu söyledikleri bir inek. The neighbor said that there's a cow that belongs to you. So ait olduğunu, that belongs to you. Söyledikleri, his saying. But we translate it as a cow that the neighbor said it belongs to you. Tarlada, in the field, bizim ineğin karnına vurup. In the field, what happened to our inek, our cow? Vurup, it hit. So it hit our cow karnına, on its belly, on its stomach. İneği öldürmüş and killed the inek, the cow. So again, the meaning of the sentence, the other day, a cow that the neighbor said belongs to you hit our cow in the field, tarlada, in the field, on its stomach, İneği öldürmüş and killed the inek, the cow. Şimdi ne yapmam gerek? Now what should I do? So now what yapmam gerek? Should I do? So gerek means important or should. In other words, you should do. Yapmak to do. So now what should I do? And the me here with gerek we use mam. For example, if I want to say yapman gerek, you should do. Here what should I do? Hoca sakallarını sıvazlayıp bir an düşündükten sonra. So after here the hoca first of all he passed his hand where on his sakal which is his beard. So sıvazlayıp it comes from the word sıvazlamak to pass through to pass your hand through something on something. So after he passed his hand on his beard bir an for a moment düşündükten sonra after thinking. So again the meaning here that the hoca moving his hand on his beard and after thinking for a moment düşündükten we have dükten sonra means after. So we use this dükten sonra means after. After thinking for a moment hayvan bu demiş. Dava edecek değilsin ya. This is an animal. You are not going to sue. So hayvan bu. This is an animal demiş, he said. Dava edecek değilsin ya. So here it all means you will not sue. So in the court where you sue a person if he does something for you. So dava edecek değilsin. Değilsin it like değil. Sen you will not. Dava edecek you will not sue. Yeah, an expression. What does the man reply? Teşekkür ederim. Kadı efendi. Thank you, Mr. Judge. Sahibinin de bu işte suçu yok. The owner has no fault either. So sahibinin de also the owner bu işte this thing, the thing that happened, suçu yok is not guilty. So the also we can say the owner is not guilty either. Bu işte is about here they mean what happened between the cows. In this we don't say in this work because iş means work. No, we say in this event that happened the owner is not guilty. Ne bilsin böyle olacağını? How should he know that this will happen? Or how does he know that this will happen? Ne bilsin. Ne is what? Or here it means how. Okay, we'll continue. Bilsin, from bilmek to know bilsin. Him knowing. Böyle. Böyle means this thing that happened. Olacağını will be. So let's forget about translating each word. So ne bilsin böyle olacağını. How does he know that this will happen? Or how will he know this will happen? We can say also. Adamın yüzü gülmüş. The man's face smiled. Or the man's face was smiling. We can say also. So gülmek, to smile. Tekrar söze başlamadan önce. Before he started to speak again. So again is tekrar söze. Söz, we said what he's saying, the words, the phrases. Başlamadan önce, madan önce before. So before starting again to speak. Kusura bakma Kadı Efendi. I'm sorry, kusura bakma. I'm sorry, Kadı Efendi. He wanted to add something. So we continue. Demin ben bir yanlışlık yaptım. I just made a mistake. Demin ben bir yanlışlık yaptım. I just made a mistake. So demin here means just. Ben bir yanlışlık yaptım. I did a mistake. So I just did a mistake. Ölen inek benimki değil. The cow that died was not mine. So ölen, so the one that dies. İnek, cow. So the cow that died, ölmek to die. The cow that died, benimki değil is not mine. Benim, mine değil not is not mine. Seninkiymiş, it's yours, it was yours. So miş, the past reported past tense, it was yours. Seninkiymiş, miş, it was yours. Seninki was yours. Hoca yerinden doğrulup. What happened to the hoca? He gets up from his place. Yerinden from his place. Here doğru loop. It means he moves from his place. He gets up from his place. Now he says something else. Bak demiş. Look, he said. He wants to say something. Şimdi iş değişti. Now the work is değişti means changed. So here he means now things have changed or things changed because ish is not, they are not talking about work, they are talking about an event that happened, something that happened. So now things changed. O halde verin raftaki kara kaplı kitabı da hele bir bakalım. What did he tell him at the end? So let's take a look at the black covered book on the shelf. O halde, so, verin, give me. From where, give, verin, for plural or respect, give. So, give, what, who? The book, of course, kitab, the book. Which book? The kara kaplı kitabı. The black covered book. That is what, where? On the raf, on the shelf. Raftaki, that is on the shelf. So give, of course, give me. So give the black covered book that is on the shelf. Hele bir bakalım, all of it means let's have a look. So again, at the end, what happened when the situation was related to the Hoja, he changed his mind and now he wants to see the book, to read a book, to know what judgment to give. Now let's read it without explanation. Nasreddin Hoca'nın kadılık yaptığı sıralarda bir adam gelmiş. Hoca efendi demiş, size bir şey danışacağım. Buyurun sorun demiş hoca. Adam sözünü sürdürmüş. Geçen gün komşuların size ait olduğunu söyledikleri bir inek tarlada bizim ineğin karnına vurup ineği öldürmüş. Şimdi ne yapmam gerek? Hoca sakallarını sıvazlayıp bir an düşündükten sonra hayvan bu demiş. Dava edecek değilsin ya. Teşekkür ederim Kadı Efendi. Sahibinin de bu işte suçu yok. Ne bilsin böyle olacağını. Adamın yüzü gülmüş. Tekrar söze başlamadan önce kusura bakma Kadı Efendi. Demin ben bir yanlışlık yaptım. Ölen inek benimki değil, seninkiymiş. Hoca yerinden doğrulup bak demiş. Şimdi iş değişti. O halde verin raftaki kara kaplı kitabı da hele bir bakalım. This is the translation of the story in English. Of course, if you want to receive the PDF of this story and the other stories on my channel, then click on the link in the description box below. Now, the words that you should see, if you still remember their meanings are these ones. So let's read them together. Kelime listesi. Danışacağım, sürdürmüş, tarlada, öldürmüş, sıvazlayıp, dava. So try to remember their meaning. If not, check the video again. This was the end of this very short story. I hope it was beneficial and you learned new things. Don't forget to share it with those who are learning Turkish like you.